This is our 818 Mitsui fully automatic surface grinder. It has incremental downfeed, it has an 8x18 chuck, it has 10x20 travels, over the wheel dresser, it has coolant with a magnetic separator, so when your sludge comes out, the chips or the grinding slag is separated from your coolant. We're going to bring it on now. You'll hear the spindle first, which is very quiet. Spindle. As I said, super quiet. Right now we're in, when you go into plunge mode, bringing hydraulics on. Bringing my hydraulics on. When I hit this button, it'll automatically, you'll see it'll automatically start incrementally down. With each pass, it drops it down. You can also use this in the surface mode where it goes all the way to the front, all the way to the back, and down. All the way to the front, all the way to the back, and down. You set your ring to 0. When it gets to that position, it'll automatically knock it off. So that's showing the incremental downfeed. Now we'll go into surface grinding. We'll also start incremental. This controls how far the cross speed goes. You can see it slowed way down. We can speed that back up. And this lever controls how fast our hydraulics move on the table. From slow, stop. This is our fully automatic Mitsui grinder. This machine is nearly 1980, but rebuilt around 2000 by a company in Chicago who were factory trained Mitsui technicians. Thank you for watching.